Which choice completes the text so that it conforms to the conventions of standard English? In his Naturalis Historia, Pliny the Elder praised Hipparchus's star catalogue, a 2nd century BCE list of roughly 850 different stars' celestial positions. For centuries, scholars dreamed about locating a copy of this legendary lost blank fantasy, partially became reality in 2022 when researchers uncovered traces of the star catalogue on a palimpsest, a reused parchment. So looking at this second sentence, we can see that there are two independent clauses. The first begins with, for centuries, scholars dreamed about locating a copy of this legendary lost work. And the second independent clause is that fantasy partially became reality 2022, and then up to a reused parchment. So because there are two independent clauses here, the proper punctuation to connect these two independent clauses must highlight a comma and a conjunction, a semicolon, or a period. So let's look at the answer choices. A. Work, comma, that. This is incorrect because for a comma to connect two independent clauses, there must be a conjunction with it. But in this case, there is no conjunction, so we can eliminate option choice A. B. Work, that. This is incorrect because this uses no comma or conjunction or any other punctuation to connect these two independent clauses, which means that this would result in a run-on sentence. So B can be eliminated as well. C. Work, period, that. So this seems to be the correct answer, because this properly separates the two independent clauses, and it does so logically, because the first independent clause is a complete thought, where it highlights how for centuries, scholars dreamed about locating a copy of this legendary lost work. The second independent clause is, that fantasy partially became reality in 2022, when researchers uncovered traces of the star catalogue on a palimpsest, a reused parchment. So because this punctuation is grammatically correct, and both the sentences are logical, C seems to be the correct answer. D. Work, and that. This is incorrect, because this attempts to use a conjunction to connect two independent clauses, but a conjunction cannot connect these two independent clauses without the use of a comma before it. So in this case, as there is no comma, we can eliminate D. And we're left with C as the correct answer.